KOHO transfer limits. How much can you really move? Ever felt stuck staring at a low bank balance, wishing you could just transfer some cash from a friend's account to cover that unexpected bill? Well, if you're a KOHO user, that feeling might be familiar. But before you get discouraged, let's get one thing straight. KOHO does allow transfers, but there are limits. That's right, there are certain restrictions on how much money you can move in and out of your KOHO account. Now, these limits might seem annoying at first, but they're actually in place to protect you and KOHO from fraud. Think of them like training wheels on your financial bicycle. They help you get going without any wobbles. So, the question is, exactly how much can you transfer with KOHO? Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of KOHO transfer limits. Breaking down the limits, KOHO versus the world. First things first, KOHO offers two main account types, Essential and Everything. The limits for each type are slightly different, so it's important to know which one you have. No worries, figuring that out is easy. Just open your KOHO app and check your account details. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. For Essential account holders, the key limit to remember is for KOHO to KOHO transfers, also known as K2K transfers. Here's the breakdown. Maximum per transfer, $3,000. That means you can't send or receive more than this amount in a single K2K transaction. Daily limit, also $3,000. This means the total amount you can send or receive through K2K transfers in a single day can't exceed this amount. Monthly limit, finally, the monthly limit for K2K transfers is $20,000. So, across the entire month, the total sum of your K2K transactions can't be more than this. Alright, that's the Essential plan. Now, what about the Everything account? Well, things get a bit more flexible here. Account holders enjoy the same K2K transferred limits as Essential accounts, but they also get the additional perk of sending Interac e-transfers. Here's the deal with Interac e-transfers. Inbound limit, you can receive Interac e-transfers up to a maximum of $5,000 per transaction, with a daily total limit of $10,000 and a monthly limit of $40,000. That's some serious receiving power. Outbound limit, however, when it comes to sending Interac e-transfers with Everything, the daily limit is capped at $3,000, just like K2K transfers. But wait, there's more. Limits on everything else. KOHO transfer limits aren't just about moving money between accounts. There are also restrictions on how much you can withdraw from ATMs and spend using your KOHO card. Here's a quick rundown. ATM withdrawals. For Essential accounts, the daily ATM withdrawal limit is $1,010, with a maximum of 2 withdrawals per day. Everything accounts offer a slightly higher daily limit of $1,500, also with a maximum of 2 withdrawals. Card spending. When it comes to spending with your KOHO card at stores and online, both Essential and Everything accounts have a daily POS, point of sale, limit of $9,000. Remember, these limits are there to help. We know, limits can be frustrating. But trust us, KOHO's transfer limits are there for a reason. They help to prevent fraud and keep your hard-earned money safe. If someone tries to hack into your account and transfer a huge amount out, these limits can act as a safety net. KOHO transfer limits, the final takeaway. So, there you have it. The complete lowdown on KOHO transfer limits. By understanding these limits, you can avoid any unexpected roadblocks when managing your money. Remember, KOHO offers different account types with varying limits. Choose the one that best suits your needs, and don't be afraid to contact KOHO's customer support if you have any further questions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.